The MIG145 5GEN welding machine is a versatile 3-in-1 welder, capable of gasless MIG, lift TIG, and stick welding, making it ideal for a wide range of projects. It features a user-friendly digital screen display that allows welders to monitor voltage and current without removing their helmet, enhancing safety and efficiency. With its synergic control, the machine automatically adjusts voltage and wire feed speed, ensuring smooth operation for both beginners and seasoned professionals. The dual voltage capability of 110 volts and 220 volts allows the welder to adapt to various power supplies, making it suitable for different working environments. An 8.2-foot MIG torch and other essential accessories are included, offering convenience and portability for on-the-go welding tasks. This welding machine is particularly efficient in handling stainless steel, carbon steel, and thicker materials, meeting diverse welding requirements with ease.